Perfect, sir.
Academy Yes.
Our honorable guests have already reached. They are being accompanied by our principal ma'am.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Malayada Sheetalam, Shasya Shyaamalam Mataram.
We are assembled here for the purpose of National Unity Day, Rashtriya Ekta Divas celebrations, right? Let me tell you in brief. Our country is facing a potent threat of disunity. For that purpose, to give a befitting tribute to our Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, it has been decided by the Union HRD Minister and worked out by CBSE that 31st October will be observed throughout the country as the Rashtriya Ekta Divas.
Good morning, everyone. Sir has already told you, you have already seen in the net, you have read in the papers, you are watching on the TV, and you today also you will be watching for the entire day these all proceedings. We are here for observation of National Unity Day, Rashtriya Ekta Divas. K.S. Manda sir has already told you, and you all know that Vallabhbhai Patel ji, he had been one behind unification of the country. On this occasion, we have the pride to be the center coordinators for the CBSE's program of Rashtriya Ekta Divas. We are very happy that we have many schools standing over here. So let's welcome first of all the participants of different schools with a scout and guide claps. Go! तालियों की आवाज आकाश तक जानी चाहिए, इतनी जोर से. Yes, the best method is to keep your hands up in the air. Can you please raise your hand and show me that you are holding the pledge card? Yes, everyone. You will not forget to see that paper so that there should be no mispronunciation. So once again, a hearty welcome and a loud cheer. Thank you, everyone.
To proceed towards a light at the garland.
Sir, Munta Tekun sir. Thank you, thank you.
Once again, a loud cheer, children. Scout and guide claps, go. Today is the day of national unity and we have to show our sportsmanship, right?
My dear students, I only appeal to you that please develop this Ekta Bhav, strong Ekta Bhav. The stronger we are, the stronger unity, the stronger will be our nation. Well, I wish that all of you to participate enthusiastically in all the programs and events like Run for the Unity, Unity Rally, the competitions, foster competitions, sports, games, and always feel the feeling that Mera Bharat Mahan. Well, I will conclude with the golden words of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Tan mein hove vasta swadeshi, man mein hove bhava swadeshi, और घर में होवे सामान स्वदेशी. बोलो भाई स्वदेशी स्वदेशी स्वदेशी. थैंक यू.
रहती है जहाँ दिल में सफाई रहती है, हम उसी देश के वासी हैं, हम उसी देश के वासी हैं. जिस देश में गंगा बहती है, जिस देश में गंगा बहती.
Today happens to be a very great day for this country and a very great day for all policemen like us. I passed out from my academy on the 31st October Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy. And that's why when ma'am asked me to come here, I said I'll definitely be there and I'll be running with all the young kids. Slight note of disagreement with ma'am. She called us youngsters from yesteryears. We are youngsters of today. You're youngsters of tomorrow. As has already been told, Sardar Patel is a symbol of unity for this country, because much before all of us were born, he was the one responsible for integrating this country, making this India one from over more than 500 princely states. And that's why, as a mark of tribute, as a mark of respect, we, the countrymen, have decided to celebrate this as the Unity Day. Today also happens to be a day of sacrifice by our former Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi. इस देश में सभी के लिए जगह है, सभी धर्मों के लिए, सभी मजहबों के लिए, सभी वर्ग के लोगों के लिए, और वही जो एकता की फीलिंग है, उस फीलिंग को हमको और मजबूत बनाना है. And that is why we need to take pledge that we will remain united come what may. Our adversaries across the border, on all sides, our adversaries elsewhere in the world will not be able to divide us. And the youth, we take this pledge that we'll keep marching ahead and make India even better. We know India is the best, India is perfect, but we'll manage to improve upon perfection. Thank you so much, and thank you, ma'am, for organizing this great event which showcases our unity. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So that was your Honorable Chief Guest of the day, DIG Southern Range, Shri Amitabh Thakurji. And where are your claps? Up in the air. Come on, everyone. Wonderful.
हम भारतीय सत्य निष्ठा से शपथ लेते हैं कि हम अपने राष्ट्र की एकता, अखंडता और सुरक्षा को बनाए रखने के लिए स्वयं को समर्पित करेंगे और अपने देशवासियों के बीच इस संदेश को फैलाने का भरसक प्रयत्न करेंगे. हम यह शपथ अपने राष्ट्र की एकता की भावना से ले रहे हैं, जिसे स्वर्गीय सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की दूरदर्शिता एवं कार्यों द्वारा संभव बनाया जा सका. हम अपने देश की आंतरिक सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करने के लिए अपना योगदान देने का भी सत्यनिष्ठा से संकल्प करते हैं. भारत माता की वंदे इनकलाब जिंदाबाद. School Vishram. Now we'll take the oath in English. Group Savdhan. We Indians solemnly pledge that we shall dedicate ourselves to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of our nation, and
and strive hard to spread this message among our countrymen. We take this pledge in the spirit of unification of our country, which was made possible by the vision and actions of late Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. We solemnly resolve to make our own contributions to ensure internal security of our country. Vande in Bharat Mata ki Inqilab Zindabad.
राष्ट्रगान शुरू कर।
सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल की वंदे वंदे
And with the success of this missile, India can